sculpting in ZBrush usually starts in Symmetry mode. First, symmetrical elements of the model are made, and then Symmetry is turned off and individual features of the model are realized. My name is Andre, and on my channel, I describe complex functions of programs in simple language. Put a like and see more videos that will help you in simplifying your work. Symmetry is easy to accidentally break, so be careful and check if Symmetry is on now. You might accidentally move a few points of the model and the Symmetry will be broken. I remind you that you can turn Symmetry on and off by pressing the X key on your keyboard. If you accidentally break the Symmetry, the Mirror and Weld function will help you. The model is only mirrored from 0 to 1. That is, from left to right and from bottom to top. You can select the coordinate axis along which you want to mirror the model. Suppose you want to mirror and weld the model in the opposite direction. That is, for example, from right to left or from top to bottom. Then you need to rotate the model first. We go to the Deformation tab and click on Mirror. Suppose you suddenly notice that the Symmetry doesn't work. You can check the position of your model on the world axis. The model should be at the 0 point on the x-axis. If it is not, manually fix it. These are all the major problems you might notice when working with Symmetry in ZBrush. And you subscribe to my channel, give me a like and learn more useful features about simple programs.